Joe was just talking about momentum having returned. It certainly feels like it's returned to Apple. Stock's up more than 10% in 1 month. It is green yet again today. It's above $232 a share. You've been a buyer of it personally, recently, yes, on several occasions, including again today?
I will, yes, again today. Let me walk through all of it. I know Jim Cramer right now, if he's listening, is not going to be happy because, yes, I am trading Apple, and I'm taking advantage of what I believe to be a significant rebuilding in portfolio manager positioning, in particular for growth managers.
He may think you're smart, like using the fact that there's some renewed momentum and life behind the name. So he can come down here, by the way, and sit on the set. We have an empty space today, so we'll find out if he's angry or happy with you.
Okay. Maybe. Last Wednesday, the big bite was at 206 in Apple. I would say that somewhere near the upper 60% range of my entire trading Apple position right now is at that level. Thursday, 217, Friday, 221, Monday, 226, today, 232. We're getting close to my target. I think the target here is around 240. I think at that point, a lot of the momentum for portfolio managers building their position, that will begin to fade. I'm trading this. You have to put a stop in. Below 222, I would neutralize some of the more recent buys, but I am going to maintain a longer-term position here in Apple. That is for sure, because I do think there's been a shift clearly in the relationship with Tim Cook, Apple, and the president.
I'll tell you what, a firm called Alpine Macro today says Mag 7 stocks are quote-unquote mania candidates because they've had a straight line run-up starting on April 9th, for the most part. Some of the reactions immediately after earnings weren't that fantastic, but they seem to have picked up because NASDAQ in its own right has been hitting new highs, like Meta. Your Meta, Carrie, hit a record high again today. They obviously had the Threads number come out this week, which was really strong.
Huge.
So what about this stock here now?
Yeah, I think it can go higher. Meta, Google, Apple, and NVIDIA all basically at all-time highs. And I think when it comes to the fear that people have had about antitrust, anti-competitive behavior, taking some of these companies apart, we just saw what happens if you make a deal with the White House. I mean, there are ways to get around your problems. And Meta would be a beneficiary of that. All of them. Apple, I think the surge in Apple has to do with the fact that they have been under attack by administrations over the last few years.
Oh, yeah.
That's gone away.
No, you show up, you give a golden gift, and your stock takes off.